Hi, my name is Anouk Creusen. I'm a geoscientist by background and I have 15 years international experience in the oil and gas industry, where I left about 5 years ago. And I started my own company called SDG5 Inc., working on more gender balance in the energy transition. The SDGs are the abbreviation of the Sustainable Development Goals set by the United Nations. And this is a set of 17 different goals where the idea is, and we've agreed that together with the United Nations, that if we reach all of these goals, then we will move towards a more sustainable planet and a livable planet for future generations. Two of these goals are the goals that I focus on with SDG5 Inc., and these are Goal 5 and Goal 7. Number 5 is about gender equality. Women are half of our population, and gender equality is really a basic requirement to reach many of the goals. If you think about the end of poverty, gender equality is a very vital aspect of it, and so there are more. Goal number 7 is sustainable access to sustainable and affordable energy for everybody on this planet. Gender equality and access to affordable and clean energy are two very different goals. One of them is a social goal, you would think, and the other one is a very often understood as a very technical goal, but they definitely interact. Now the decision-making boards are very male-dominated. The risk is groupthink. The risk is lack of innovation. The risk is focusing on a very certain group in our population. But if you look at who's using and who's dependent on the energy access, women are of course half of the people that are dependent on energy access. So there is a gender component in this, in access to energy. So if we want to move to a clean and just and fair new energy system, then we'll need everybody at the table, all hands on deck, and that's men and women included in equal proportions. Well, a part of the transition to clean energy is innovation. Biggest killer for innovation is groupthink. So if you sit around the table with the usual suspects, it's not going to help getting more innovative and different ideas to the table. And that is exactly what we need now. We need speed, we need higher quality decisions, and we need decisions that include everybody on the planet, not just a small part of it. So if you think, what can gender equality mean in accelerating the energy transition, that means that we need to get women at decision-making positions to make sure they're included at the table, but also included as customers using the new energy systems. If you only think from the male perspective, then that's going to leave out female perspectives in energy use.